Here I'm checking out a townhome rental property. It's about 11-20 square feet. The rent is $12.50. 2 stories, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Carpet's all pretty nice all throughout. So as we come in here to the kitchen zone, and then we got this main room right over here. The place was built in 1989. So you can see this kind of be your living room. We've got like a 16 by 16 square room right here. Nice big window. Then you've got your stairway going upstairs to your bedrooms. Got your entryway from the street right there. You got a 1 bathroom or a half bath down here. Mr. Waterloo and a single sink vanity right there. And then we come into what will be the dining area. Dining area here. It's going to be like a 12 by 10 space. Right there, and like I said, the carpet is all looking in really good condition. And you got a little outside, little barbecue zone right here. You know, it's like a little 10 by 10 space right there. Then you've got your kitchen. The countertops are looking really nice. The granite style countertops are in good condition. The fixtures there. So you've got the countertops on this side and a bunch on the other. You've got your nice new stove. That looks like pretty much a new microwave right there. They still got the plastic wrapping on the microwave, so they must have just installed a new microwave. You got your big refrigerator right in here. Your water heater, some more counter space, and then on this side you've got your laundry, washer and your dryer. Then we have a 2-car garage, which is also always really nice in this townhome zone. Then we go back into the kitchen area, and we'll go upstairs and check out the bedrooms upstairs. You're going to have a little closet space under the stairway, which is always good. Let's check upstairs. So coming up the stairs, we have our 2 bedrooms and we have 1 more bathroom up here. So we've got this bedroom here. You've got like a 12 by 14 space right in here. Nice big windows on. Lots of light. Then you're going to have a walk-in closet right in here. Walk-in closet space. Then you've got a shared bathroom here. You've got the single vanity right there. You've got the other single vanity, Mr. Waterloo, and then you've got your bath and your shower right here. And then that goes over to your other bedroom. This slightly smaller bedroom. This one here is like a 10 by 12 space. And you've got a nice big closet space right in there. And you got a nice upper window here. Okay, so that's your upstairs and downstairs. Going to take a look at this rental, going for $1,300 a month. It's had a lot of nice work done on it. Everything's looking really nice inside. You've got the whole fresh paint everywhere. You got the vinyl plank flooring on the floor as well, looking really nice and new. And then tile work is all clean in the kitchen, counters. Look at that new backsplash in there. That's looking really, really awesome. Then you got the nice, all our appliances are brand new. You got a new cooktop right there. And then like the microwave, the dishwasher, the Whirlpool. So, you've probably got like this space right here is probably like about an 8 by 8 space for the dining space. And then you've got the big living room. It's probably like looks like about a 16 by 18 space in here. And then we're coming through, we've got a nice bathroom in here. Full bathroom, the tub, shower. Again, the paint's looking all really good. Everything's looking fresh in here. Then we've got 1 bedroom here. This is like, looks like a 10 by 10 space in here. in the bathroom. Sorry, in the bedroom. And a nice closet space in there. The carpet's it's either been cleaned or just been replaced. It's looking really good and fresh. Then you've got another bedroom here. This one here, like a 12 by 12. Looks like about a 12 by 12 space, this bedroom. We've got one more bedroom over here. Again, it's about the same size. It's like a 12 by 12 space. All carpeted, nicely freshly carpeted. Take a look inside. We've got a garage in here. That's a one-car garage. Nice big long space. You got like workspace in here too. That's really cool. And come back out here. You got the nice tile work here. Hey. And then it got a great big backyard out here too. Great big backyard. Lot size looks like about 6,000-7,000 square feet. You got a little bit of a covered canopy here too. Okay, here's the third rental property we're going to take a peek at today. Just doing a quick rental tour all around, $1,200 a month, around 1,000 square feet. This one here is going for $1,150. It does have, there's a community pool right over there, you can see. There's a community pool. So you're right opposite the pool. You got a nice balcony zone up here. And then inside here we've got, we walk in, we've got like about an 18 by 14 space here in the main living room area, and then coming over to the dining zone, you've got like a 12 by 10 area right here. You've got your kitchen with your cabinets on both sides. And you've got like a stove. Microwave looks pretty new, so the appliances look pretty good. Your refrigerator. Then we've got your bedrooms. This is 2 bedrooms, and this one here is a 10 by 11. 10 by 11 bedroom. Got your washer right there. And this one here is a primary. You've got this one here, you've got your built-in closet. And you've got a 12 by 16 space in here with your built-in closet space. And then you've got your primary bathroom. You've got your shower. I like the tile work on this one, that's nice. And your bath, it's the water loo and your vanity. So that's your primary bedroom, bathroom. And that's your second bedroom that we went into. And then you've got a secondary bath. This one's a half bath with the water loo. Okay, so that's this place, going for $11.50 a month.